Welcome to the instructional video for the Panel Boss. During this presentation, we will discuss proper attaching, maintenance, and safe operation. The Panel Boss is designed with fixed pins for your excavator quick coupler. Because your excavator only has forward and back tilt movement, these pins have been undersized to allow some side-to-side movement. A little play will be normal for proper operation. Couple these pins with the hydraulic lines and motor facing the excavator. Then lock the quick coupler following the manufacturer's locking instructions. Always install any safety pins or devices for that type of quick coupler. The Panel Boss must rest comfortably on the ground while working on it. Next, take a moment and pump some grease into the 4 locking pins and main rotator bearing grease zerks. Also grease the outer drive gears teeth on the circle drive. This is a good time to inspect for any damage or cracks before use. This should be done daily. Now you're ready to connect the hydraulic lines. Panel Boss requires 2 sets of hydraulic circuits to operate. One is to operate the locks and the other set is to operate the rotator motor. It also comes with relief valves preset at the factory at 2900 psi for the lock rams and 1000 psi for the rotator motor. If your excavator has higher flows and pressure, it should not damage the Panel Boss. If you find it difficult to push your couplers together, your hydraulic lines may still be under some pressure. You can relieve that pressure by cracking a fitting on that line. Always protect yourself from the spray of hot oil. Proper gloves, clothing, and face shielding is required to cover all exposed skin areas. Once all the connections are complete, you're ready to start your excavator and test your operation. Be sure there are no leaks, that the locks move in and out freely, and rotation works in both directions. Now for some safe operating techniques. Grabbing onto a panel is easy. Be sure lock pins are fully retracted or in the unlocked position. Line up by rotating and gently set the Panel Boss on top of the panel as near center as possible. Make sure all 4 corners are down tight on top of the rail and flip your lock switch to extend lock pins underneath the rail head. This may take a few seconds depending on your excavator's hydraulic flow and pressure. Now carefully lift the panel and check the stability of your excavator. Remember, uneven ground together with the weight of a track panel can cause your machine to tip. Before moving, stay clear of all hazards such as power lines and buildings. Personnel must not stand any closer than 50 feet. You may carry the track panel to the desired location. Always keep the track panel low to the ground and your boom extended sufficiently so the end of the panel does not come in contact with the excavator. This is very important, especially while rotating the panel. Contact with the end of a 10,000-pound track panel against anything, especially the cab of your excavator, could cause serious injury or death. Safe and proper operation depends solely on the operator. If you're setting the panel in place onto the end of another panel, have the joint bars already spread open. Gently lower the bars onto the top of the end of the last panel and slowly slide back until they drop into place. This may take some practice. Then push them tight and line up left or right to take up any slack between the ends of the rail. Now they're ready to be bolted together. Be sure to keep down pressure on the panel while unlocking the lock pins. Now you're ready for your next panel. Remember, your new Panel Boss is not designed to be used like a bucket in any way. Misuse by hitting or banging against objects will cause damage and destroy it. With proper care and use, you can enjoy many years of service of laying the fastest track panel sections in your area.